and thank you for joining us today. My name is Kalina. I
多
will
謝
be
今
the
日大家
moderator
加
for
入。
today.
咁我係今
And
日嘅
today's
整
webinar
主持
is
人。
jointly organized by the Canadian Hepatitis C Peer Support Group
咁今日
and
嘅
the
會議咧，主要
Toronto
係我哋
Clinic
由
Chinese
加
Hepatitis
拿
C
大
Support
嘅
Group.
呢個管理
I'm
乙
the
肝
co-chair of the
社
Canadian
區一
Hepatitis
齊
C
進行嘅。
Support Group. I'm also a member of the Toronto Support Group. Now, my co-chair is Dr. Hin Hin Ko, who unfortunately is unable to join us today. So because today we do have simultaneous interpretation, so you will notice that I am speaking at a slower pace so that the
咁今日咧，我哋
interpreters
有呢個翻譯員啦，所以我盡量會講慢啲。
to introduce to you our
好，
guest speakers
非常
today.
之開心同你哋介紹下我哋今日嘅呢個主講人
is a
樂淑
professor
芳醫
of
生。
hepatology in the Department of Internal Medicine
樂淑芳醫生係我哋密西根州嘅
her medical degree from the University
肝
of
學
Hong Kong
研究教授。
underwent
咁樂醫
training
生畢業於香港大學，並且喺英國倫敦皇家自由學院學習， 由1992年係移居到美國嘅。咁佢嘅研究重點係乙肝肝炎同埋丙型肝炎嘅治療史啦、治療啦，以及佢嘅預防控制肝癌。 咁樂醫生咧獲到好多非常之傑出嘅獎項，包括係佢喺臨床或者係研究、教育同埋肝社區呢邊嘅貢獻。咁我哋唔一一列出啦。咁佢喺國際上咧，亦都係非常之受到尊重啦，亦都係知名嘅肝科嘅專家嚟嘅。所以我哋非常之榮幸，今日佢可以同我哋分享一下佢對於乙型肝炎將來嘅一啲嘅睇法。非常之感謝 Kalina 嘅介紹啦。
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
大家可唔可以睇到我嘅屏幕？
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. All right. So good morning or good afternoon, depending on which part of Canada you're in.
早晨或者下晝好。咁今日好開心，我可以同你哋傾一傾乙肝呢個項目咧，已經被研究咗超過係40年㗎啦。咁我哋會講一下佢個將來啦，我哋講一下佢個疫苗啦。主要個關注點咧係佢個治療啦。咁唔同嘅社會咧，佢都有唔同嘅呢個大綱啦，同埋一啲新嘅指引嘅，就關於呢個治療嗰方面。咁好多人就話成日都係一樣嘅治療啦，咁幾時我哋會有一啲新嘅治療出現呢？咁我哋會傾一傾一啲新嘅治療啦。我哋講一講呢個疫苗先啦。點解好重要呢？因為乙型肝炎係一種傳染病嚟嘅，我哋係可以預防佢嘅，我哋可以用一啲有效嘅疫苗。喺1980嘅時候咧，就已經有呢啲疫苗可以有效咁預防㗎啦。喺全球嚟講咧，過去呢10幾年咧，有成8萬嘅疫苗已經係被接種嘅。咁乙型肝炎咧，一般係要完整接種3劑嘅。 咁佢個免疫效果有差唔多95%嘅，咁包括係嬰兒啊、兒童啊同埋青少年上邊啦，佢其實接近100%嘅，咁佢哋會有得到呢個免疫啦。咁如果佢哋被暴露喺呢個病毒下咧，咁佢哋就會被呢個疫苗保護，而唔會被感染到。咁非常之不幸，95%咁唔係對所有人都有效嘅。咁例如啦，如果你係40歲以上嘅年長成人啦，免疫系統受到抑制啦，或者係接受緊呢個癌症嘅化療啊之類嘅病人，或者係有一啲慢性疾病嘅，例如係糖尿病啦、慢性嘅呢個腎疾病患者、肝硬化嘅或者係 HIV 嘅感染者咧，咁佢哋個成功率咧就唔會咁好噶啦。所以喺你年輕嘅時候接受呢個疫苗嘅時候咧，咁就會更加好啦。佢會俾你最好嘅呢個結果啦。咁乙型肝炎嘅疫苗咧，佢唔單止係有效嘅，咁佢哋亦都可以係預防啦。你唔單止係可以預防到呢個乙型肝炎，佢亦都可以預防到由乙型肝炎導致嘅一啲肝病啊、肝癌啦。咁好多人都知道一個最大嘅問題就係佢可能會造成肝癌啦，所以如果你可以控制預防乙肝，咁你亦都可以控制呢個肝癌啦。咁但係有時候咧，疫苗咧就好似一啲藥物咁樣，雖然醫生咧就俾咗呢個疫苗，但有啲人係唔接受接種疫苗啦。咁就好似醫生開藥俾你，你就唔用呢個藥。咁就好似你擺喺個冰箱入邊，如果你唔使用唔用嘅話，咁最後咧佢都係唔會做到任何嘅嘢嘅。所以我哋要有呢個正確嘅指引啊，同埋政策可以確定呢啲疫苗咧可以正確咁被儲存啦。咁我哋咧會講一講美國呢方面嘅呢個改變啦。咁當時咧就係美國嘅疾控中心咧，佢係需要我哋接種疫苗到所有嘅嬰兒，無論你個母親係咪有呢個乙型肝炎啦。咁一般咧就係喺出世之後嘅12小時接種嘅。咁我哋知道，如果媽媽如果係感染嘅話咧，佢會傳染到嬰兒嘅呢個風險係非常高嘅。就算係媽媽係冇被感染，我哋都唔可以確實 BB 唔會被感染乙型肝炎。咁因為有時候可能個祖父母啊、外婆啊、爸爸啊，或者係保姆啊，或者係日托所，咁嗰啲小朋友啊之類，可能咧就會造成佢哋暴露喺呢個乙肝嘅病毒之下，所以最好咧，我哋要知道媽媽佢嘅乙肝嘅狀態，同埋咧 BB 咧就係有呢個免疫嘅，尤其好咧就係喺佢出世之後進行接種。咁防控中心亦都係唔單止係推薦嬰兒係需要接種，所有嘅成年人啊，或者係唔知道自己是否接種過疫苗嘅人咧，咁佢哋應該都係要接種呢個疫苗嘅。咁呢個亦都係加拿大嘅指引呢邊所推薦嘅。 咁等大家都認識到接種疫苗嘅呢個重要性啦。如果你有睇過呢個新聞嘅話，你都知道喺美國咧就有一啲好大嘅事發生緊啦。咁亦都知道咧呢個疾控中心，咁佢有一啲新增嘅一啲改變。咁佢哋可能會覺得有一啲喺嬰兒上邊接種疫苗可能唔係咁必要啦。如果嬰兒出世嘅時候，佢媽媽產婦係冇乙肝嘅話，咁佢哋可能會話，如果媽媽冇感染嘅話，咁嬰兒佢被暴露嘅呢個風險唔係咁高啦，咁可能就唔需要，或者係就係唔需要咁接種咁多疫苗啦。咁呢個佢哋唔係話咁佢哋依家唔係話我哋唔接種或者接種啦，咁依家係共同嘅一個決策。咁你可能需要同父母有一個好長嘅呢個討論。你可以係幫佢接種，或者係幫嬰兒唔接受接種。咁如果你接受接種嘅話咧，你亦都可以等幾個月之後再接種。因為嬰兒咧亦都有其他嘅，好似話破傷風啊之類嗰啲風險，感染嘅風險。咁所以咧，疾控中心就話，如果媽媽唔係感染嘅話咧，你可以唔使太擔心，或者咧就係過耐少少再去接種啦。咁但係好多呢個改變都冇進行嘅。如果係媽媽係有呢個肝炎嘅話，咁一般 BB 出嚟咧會直接就進行接種㗎喇。咁有好多嬰兒可能咧都冇接受過接種啦，因為同父母討論呢方面嘅嘢可能比較複雜啦，佢嘅好處啊，或者接種嘅一啲唔好嘅嘢啦，安全性啦，咁大家咧都係好忙啦。咁好多醫生咧都亦都冇接受過培訓，點樣去幫助佢哋去進行呢種討論啦。咁所以有啲嬰兒最後咧就係冇接受過疫苗嘅。咁又點咧？有啲人可能話，咁或者 BB 永遠都唔會被感染。咁點解我哋要成日喺咁早嘅階段要去做接種咧？因為咧呢啲新出世嘅嬰兒咧，佢哋嘅免疫系統係未完全發育嘅，所以咧就佢哋好容易會被感染啦，會造成慢性嘅感染啦。咁有90%嘅 BB，如果佢喺出世嘅時候到佢幾個月大嘅時候被感染嘅話，佢哋會變做有慢性嘅感染嘅。咁佢哋肝衰竭、肝硬化之類嗰啲風險啦，都會增高啦。咁樣嘅話就冇任何嘢，以前係冇嘢可以保護到我哋嘅。咁但係依家我哋有嘢係安全嘅、有效嘅，可以保護到佢哋。點解我哋唔使用呢樣嘢去保護我哋新一代嘅嬰兒咧？咁所以我哋應該去嘗試。咁如果你睇過新聞嘅話啦，你都知道呢個美國兒童嘅，咁即係佢哋代表兒童嘅呢方面嘅呢個醫療協會，我哋同意
兒科嘅醫生。
咁如果美國政府將呢啲接唔接種疫苗嘅選擇咧係或者推遲或者暫停嘅話咧，咁其實係唔啱嘅。咁我哋希望咧，美國啊，或者係加拿大或者其他嘅地方可以繼續係使用疫苗去保護呢啲人口嘅。咁我哋知道世界咧已經係非常之聯繫埋一齊㗎啦，例如好似疫苗嘅時呢個 COVID 嘅時候啦，咁我哋都知道一個地方被感染嘅話，佢可以咧就係傳染到全球嘅。咁依家我哋講一下佢哋嘅治療方案嗰方面啦。咁大家都知道乙肝係有治療嘅。加拿大同美國咧係比較相似嘅，咁干擾素咧就可能冇用得咁多啦。咁呢個係一個抗病毒嚟嘅，咁佢有好多嘅呢個副作用啦，所以大部分人咧都希望可以使用口服嘅抗病毒。咁我哋依家好多咧就係使用呢個合金酸類似物嘅，咁好似啲 ETB 啊、TDF 啊之類呢啲咁嘅藥物，呢啲已經係出咗嚟20年㗎啦，呢啲咁嘅口服嘅抗病毒。咁好多病人都問我，呢啲藥物已經喺度市場上幾耐啦，咁係咪安全㗎？會唔會將來會造成我嘅健康問題？咁我哋已經有成100萬嘅病人已經使用過㗎啦，已經有20年嘅使用歷史嘅數據可以顯示係安全嘅。咁可能有啲人已經係接受過呢個治療啦，使用過一段時間啦。咁你都知道佢哋係好有效嘅，佢哋可以有效咁抑制乙肝嘅病毒啦。當病人接受呢個治療嘅時候咧，咁我哋會測佢嘅乙肝嘅活性，病毒嘅活性咧會快速下降啦。咁1到2年嘅治療之後咧，呢個病毒嘅 DNA 咧就已經係基本上係測試唔到㗎啦。但係我哋永遠都要提醒病人，喺血液入邊測試唔到出嚟，唔代表佢係已經消失嘅喺呢個身體入邊，所以你唔可以停止呢個治療嘅。如果你停止咗嘅話咧，咁呢個病毒可能會重新復發啦，翻出嚟，咁佢可能會造成嚴重嘅後果啦。咁呢啲抑制病毒，佢唔單止抑制病毒啦，佢亦都可以係減低嘅肝臟發炎啦，佢嘅纖維化或者係佢嘅肝臟疤痕啦，咁或者係肝硬化、肝衰竭嘅，亦都可以降低肝癌嘅風險啦。咁唔代表佢完全係消失晒啲風險。咁所以就算病毒呢個抗病毒係使用咗好多年，咁你都檢測唔出呢個乙肝嘅病毒，咁我哋唔會話就咁樣你就唔使做乙肝嘅篩查㗎啦。咁我哋都會繼續係去要求呢啲病人去做呢個肝癌嘅篩查啦，因為好多病人後期可能都會出現肝硬化或者肝衰竭嘅問題嘅。咁可能我哋會叫大家使用呢個抗病毒，而唔係使用干擾素啦。咁因為呢個會更安全、更直接、更容易使用啦。咁佢個花費亦都更加平啦。咁亦都係佢有20年嘅呢個 資料可以顯示係安全嘅，佢嘅
These
使用。
drugs are mostly suppressing the virus.
咁但係好大部分呢啲
They
藥
do not
物咧都
completely
係
get
用
rid
嚟
of the
抑
virus.
制個病毒，而
And
唔
this
可
is
以
the
完全
reason
根
why
除呢個病毒嘅。
even when the virus DNA is not detectable in the blood,
所以就算你個血液入邊係揾唔到乙肝病毒，
hiding in that little corner in
咁
your
佢
blood.
可能
And
隱藏喺
therefore,
某一個角落。
we would tell the patients, you got to continue treatment.
咁我
If
哋
you
都
want
會
to
講俾
stop,
病
we
人
can
聽
have
要
a
繼
very
續
heart
治
to
療
heart
啦。
talk to see whether
咁
it is
呢個
safe,
係
and how frequently
比較
we need
難
to
嘅呢個
monitor
對話啦。
so that if the
咁我
virus
哋要
should
繼
spring
續
back,
咧就
we
係
can
監測
put you
啦。
back
如
on
果
treatment.
個病毒翻
Many
嚟，
of
咁
you
我哋可以
know
繼
that
續幫你進
the
行治療
diagnosis
嘅。
of hepatitis B start with testing
咁你哋都知道乙
hepatitis
肝
B
咧就係
surface
一
antigen.
開始
So
嘅
this
時
is
候
a blood
係
test,
診斷
and
係
if it's
通過血
positive,
液化
it
驗，
indicates
睇下你有
infection.
冇呢個
When
乙
it
肝
goes
嘅
to
表面
negative,
抗
it
原啦。
means that,
咁
we
佢
can
出嚟係
put
陽
on the
性，咁
critical
進行
job
治療。
and
要
really
等佢
controlling
變成
the
陰
virus.
性，咁我哋就
And
治療得幾好啦。
ultimately, with antiviral treatment, we hope not only to
咁
suppress
進
the
行
DNA
呢個
when
抗病毒
detectable, but to
口
actually
服
get
病
rid of
藥
the
物，
hepatitis
我哋
B
唔單
surface
止係
antigen.
想要抑制佢哋，亦都
Unfortunately,
想
with the
去
current
消除
treatment, we
佢
have
呢
a
個
very
乙
low
肝病毒。
success rate.
咁
So
但係
even
非常之不
after
幸咧，
5,
依家
10,
嘅治
15
療
years
佢
of
個治愈率
tenofovir,
咧，佢個
tenofovir,
成功率係比較
less
低
than
嘅。
10% of the patients
咁可能
would
有
clear
少過
surface antigen.
10%
This is
嘅
the reason
病人
why
係可以
most
完全
patients
清
need
除
to be on
佢
treatment
個
for
乙肝
years
表
and
面抗
years
原
and
啦。呢
years.
個就點解有時
And
候個
as I
治療咧
mentioned,
可能要
the
好
risk
多
of
好多
liver
年啦。
cancer is decreased, but
咁同
not
埋我講
completely
過咧，就係
eliminated.
呢個肝癌嘅
So
風
many
險係降
patients
低，
say,
但係佢個風
what
險
can
依
you
然
guys
存
do
在
a better
嘅。
job? Find us better treatment that
咁
is
有啲病
truly
人就話你有冇
curative.
好啲嘅呢個治療啊，可
But
以完全
before
治愈
I
㗎。
go to that point, the other issue that patients are pushing us is
咁另外有啲
I
病
have
人咧有
hepatitis
講過
B,
一個問題，就係
and
我
I
有
know that
乙
I've
肝，
had it for a long time.
我知道我已經有好
Why
耐
is
㗎
it
啦。
that my brother's doctor say
咁
that he should be on treatment?
點解
And
我
my
個
doctor said
哥
it's
哥個醫
okay to
生
keep
又
an
話
eye and
要
monitor
去
you,
做治
but
療？
you don't
咁
need
對
to be
我
on
嚟
treatment.
講，我個醫生又話唔
Well,
使去治
hepatitis
療，
B
睇住就得啦。
is a dynamic situation. And
咁
for
乙
some
肝咧係
patients,
有唔同
if
嘅
your
呢
immune
個
response recognizes the
呢個
virus
表
and
現
does a
嘅。
good job in
如果
suppressing the
你
virus,
個免疫
then
系統
you
咧
have
可
a
以
very
識
low
別到
virus
啲病
DNA
毒，
level,
同埋
and
咧
very
你
minimal
個
liver
病毒嘅
injury,
DNA 個水平係比較
and you are a
低，
compliant patient,
咁你亦都咧
keeping
就
an
係
eye on you
跟
is
住醫生嘅
okay.
指示嚟
And we
做。
can
咁
start
如果咁
treatment
嘅話咧，
only
醫
when
生
the
只
virus
要係
goes up
監測
and
住
when
你
the
嘅情況就
enzymes
得㗎
go
啦。
up.
咁如
And
果佢
also
哋發
patients
現
are
呢
very
個
lucky,
肝酵素升高
and
咧，
sometimes during
咁
the
佢哋
course
可
of
以知道
infection,
你嘅情
the
況有
immune
變啦。
system gets some stronger,
咁
and
有
all of a
啲
sudden
病
it
人咧，
makes
佢哋
time
個
when
免
they
疫
come
系
back,
統
we
係
find
會
that
變
the
強壯咗啦。
virus
當
has
佢哋
gone
有呢
down,
個疫苗
and
感染嘅時候，
hepatitis B markers might have gone from positive to negative.
咁可能佢
So
哋嗰
this
個
is
乙
one of
肝
the
嘅
reasons why
標
most
標記咧，
guidelines
可
would
能
not
由
say
陽
you
性變
need
成
to
陰
treat
性啦。
everyone, but
咁所以
rather
我哋
would
個指
say
引咧，唔
we
係話
should
所有人都要
assess
做
if
治
the
療嘅，
patients have
所以
cirrhosis,
我哋主
which
要咧
means
係
advanced liver
要
damage.
幫每個
No
病人
question
進
asked,
行呢個
everyone should start on treatment.
評估啦。
But for people
唔係
without
所有人都需
cirrhosis,
要啦。咁如果病人
we
已經出
say
現
if
肝
the
纖維
virus
化，
DNA
即係
is high,
咁嘅
it's
話咧，
usually
可能
more
就
than
需要治療
2,000 or
啦。
more than 20,000, depending on whether the patient is also hepatitis B, E antigen positive. And
咁
if the
可能
liver
我哋
enzymes
亦都要
are
睇
less
下
than normal,
呢
they
個
should be on treatment.
病人佢
Or
個
if they
乙
already
肝
have
嗰個
signs
抗體係
of
咪陽性啦？佢
fibrosis,
個
they
肝
should be
酵
on
素
treatment.
啊係咪高
If
啦？
they have
係
a
咪
family
有
history
肝
of
硬
liver
化，或者
cancer,
佢哋有
a
冇呢個
brother,
肝癌
sister,
嘅家族
parent
史
would
啊？
have liver
即
cancer,
係父母
then
啊，
don't
或者
wait
係
until the
兄
virus
弟姊
DNA
妹
is
啊，有
high.
冇呢啲
Don't
啦？
wait until the
咁
liver
我
enzymes
哋
are
就
high.
唔會再
They
等
should be
係咪
on
佢個
treatment.
肝酵 素會高，或者佢個病毒數高唔高，我哋會直接幫佢進行治療嘅。 咁如果病毒數量唔高，咁但係肝酵素亦都唔高，但係我好驚喎，因為我好多親戚朋友都有呢個癌症，咁我可唔可以做治療呢？咁我哋個指引呢，就係話，如果你唔達到呢個治療嘅條件，咁如果病人真係好要求要做呢個治療，佢哋亦都理解佢哋治療嘅呢個好處，咁我哋會進行一個共同決策啦。主要病人要知道自己係要做啲乜嘢，同埋佢會跟足醫囑嚟做嘅話，咁我哋都會幫佢進行治療嘅。咁我哋好多時話醫生唔係上帝嚟㗎，咁唔係話我係醫生，你應該點樣做？咁其實醫生唔一定，病人唔一定要聽我哋醫生講嘅。依家係已經個情況改變咗㗎啦。咁我哋會有共同決策啦。咁首先我哋會評估你嘅病毒嘅複製嘅情況。咁我哋跟住同病人討論，如果我哋唔治療，你肝硬化或者肝癌嘅10年之後嘅可能性係幾多？如果我哋進行治療嘅話，咁我哋可以減低幾多風險？咁同埋佢要理解啦，就算病人進行治療，唔代表佢哋個癌症嘅風險會完全消失嘅。因為有啲病人可能會諗，只要做咗治療，所有嘢都冇問題㗎啦。咁但係其實唔係嘅，個風險會降低，但係咧就唔會完全消失嘅。佢個病毒可能會減少啦，但係亦都唔會完全消失嘅。咁同埋呢個會係一個長期嘅治療嚟嘅。咁可能病人會講下呢個好複雜啊，我要返屋企諗一諗啊。咁我會到時候要做治療，咁我就會打俾你㗎。可能6個月之後、1年之後，佢都冇再打電話俾我啦。咁我再喺診所見佢哋嗰陣時咧，我會再同佢哋，不如我哋再傾下，我哋做唔做治療？咁有啲病人佢的確係需要做更多嘅討論，先至可以決定佢哋係咪要做呢個長期嘅治療嘅。咁有好多病人啦，咁我哋年紀大咗，可能亦都唔想做太多嘅改變，但係病毒喺呢個時候可能會變得更加活躍，可能咧呢個病毒嘅數目亦增加啦。所以對醫生嚟講，我哋好重要要做嘅嘢咧，就係要跟進返病人嘅呢個情況嘅改變啦。咁我哋係咪應該要改變呢？我好多病人都話啦，我知道你哋係依家係揾緊一種治癒嘅方案，即係完全徹底治癒，咁清除晒所有嘅病毒。咁首先我哋要理解咩叫治癒啦。咁一般嚟講，我哋講治癒咧，我哋就係完全咁樣清除咗病毒嘅呢個蹤跡啦，同埋消除咗所有嘅唔好嘅，包括係肝癌啊、肝硬化嘅嗰啲風險。咁我哋覺得呢個嚟講喺將來嘅5到10年都唔係好可能實現㗎啦。咁除咗抑制呢個病毒，我哋咧亦都係諗緊一種方案，可以降低肝炎嘅表面抗原由陽性轉成陰性，或者達到佢測量唔到乙肝病毒嘅，同埋咧等佢哋停止治療之後，佢唔會再復發。 所以我哋會話你一定要同醫生傾過先可以停止治療，因為佢可能隨時復發嘅。咁可能我哋幫醫生幫病人做完治療6個月之後，可能會睇下佢係咪依然係陰性揾唔到或者測量唔到呢個乙肝病毒咁我哋就話係成功㗎啦。但係佢呢個肝癌嘅風險咧，依然係喺度嘅。咁有啲病人咧，佢哋個抗原唔單止係降低，咁佢個病毒數亦都降低，咁佢哋嘅肝癌嘅風險亦都會降低咯。咁我哋停咗啲治療之後咧，咁呢個病人佢個病毒唔會即刻復發，咁意思即係話我哋係唔需要長期咁監測佢啦。咁就好似你醫療嗰啲高血壓嘅病人咁一樣，係可能要10年、20年咁，但係佢可能會唔會完全治療，但唔代表呢個世界就嚟到末日㗎啦。咁如果我哋可以喺病人年輕嘅時候進行治療，咁我哋可以避免肝嘅呢個損傷啦。咁亦有時候呢啲病人咧，佢哋停止咗治療之後，佢哋啲病毒唔會返嚟啦，唔會復發啦。咁或者呢啲病人咧，佢後期唔需要長期嘅監測，或者唔需要做長期嘅肝嘅呢個篩查啦。咁呢啲就係我哋想達到嘅目標。咁有時候病人會同我哋講，我覺得好羞恥得咗乙肝。咁我啲朋友可能唔想同我一齊食飯之類。咁所以我哋呢啲治療咧，亦都可以幫助避免歧視啦。咁我亦都唔想將呢啲傳染俾其他人啦。咁點解乙肝好難去治癒咧？因為呢個乙型病毒係非常之聰明嘅，佢係隱藏喺肝嘅細胞入邊，咁佢係可以穩定生存好多年。我哋依家使用嘅呢個治療咧，唔可以直接咁樣治癒個病毒，佢只可以將佢推埋一個角落頭。咁並且呢個病毒可以融入人類嘅 DNA。咁呢個就係呢個其中嘅原因，可能會造成肝癌啦，因為佢可能會造成干擾到我哋本身嘅 DNA，同埋咧乙型肝炎嘅患者，佢個免疫系統佢冇辦法識別到呢個病毒，所以冇辦法對抗呢個病毒。咁唔代表係呢個乙型肝炎嘅患者，佢哋對其他病毒冇免疫系統，只不過係佢嘅系統入邊冇辦法識別出乙肝病毒作為一個病人，所以佢哋唔會嘗試去消除呢個乙肝病毒啦。咁有啲病人佢可能最後呢個系統會清醒，有啲佢個系統永遠唔會清醒啦。咁功能性治癒嘅一啲策略啦，咁我哋可能要停止乙肝炎嘅佢病毒或者病毒嘅產生啦。咁同埋咧就係停止乙肝表面抗原嘅一啲產生啦。
But one of the reasons is the virus has different mechanisms of making surface antigen, which is basically
呢啲病毒有唔同嘅方法可以製造乙肝表面抗原，咁即係有唔同嘅編碼咁樣咯。咁佢亦都可以製造唔同嘅編碼。 咁但係我哋知道慢性肝炎嘅患者咧，佢哋個免疫系統唔可以識別出呢個病毒。咁我哋亦都可以等呢個系統清醒，咁開始意識到呢個病毒係敵人，可以係清除呢啲病毒。所以基本上咧，我哋會抑制佢個病毒 DNA， 停止佢嘅表面抗原，同埋激活佢個免疫系統去進行呢個治癒嘅。咁我哋依家係去到咩情況咧？咁我哋已經咧講咗呢啲臨床實驗好多年㗎啦，咁亦都有好多臨床實驗被開展咗。咁15年來咧，有開展咗超過100多項嘅臨床試驗啦。咁好多非常之不幸，有一啲係證明出嚟係完全冇效嘅。咁有啲可能會有太多副作用，或者係有毒啦。所以有一啲公司可能咧就破產，就唔再做啦，消失咗啦。咁有一個好消息咧，消息就係最近有一項第3期嘅臨床實驗咧，就係啟動咗。咁可能跟住落嚟呢幾個月咧，可能會有公佈嘅結果出嚟嘅。我哋首先係喺實驗室測試呢個藥物，跟住然後喺動物，跟住然後喺人類，跟住然後經過第1期、第2期、第3期嘅測試。如果藥物出嚟係安全有效，咁佢去到第3期，咁會喺成千上萬嘅病人試藥啦，係全球性嘅。咁如果佢係安全有效，咁製藥公司咧可能會將呢個發去呢個藥物局或者加拿大啊呢啲藥物局，等佢哋去批准呢個藥。咁最少我哋依家有1項實驗已經去到第3期啦。咁不幸嘅咧就係得1項嘅實驗係去到第3期。咁其他嘅實驗咧都早期已經係失敗咗噶啦。佢同丙型肝炎係唔一樣，丙型咧就係有90幾%嘅成功率。咁但係呢個咧，乙型咧只有30%左右嘅治癒率啦。咁同埋咧，佢個病毒數量要低啦，同埋冇呢個肝硬化嘅情況。咁同埋咧，就係呢個藥物係有3、4種藥物要使用嘅。咁有啲係需要1到2種藥物咧，係需要注射嘅。就算呢啲實驗咧係被藥物被批准咗，我哋都唔知道有幾多病人會接受呢個治療嘅，因為佢比較複雜啦，佢治療本身。咁可能話，如果佢可以消除呢個表面抗原3%，有50嘅機會，咁可能佢就或者如果係佢10%左右，咁可能有啲病人就唔想再轉換佢嘅藥物，不如直接繼續使用呢個口服嘅抗病毒藥物啦。咁佢個花費亦都比較高昂啦。咁如果有加拿大呢個政府係咪會包呢個藥物呢？咁可能亦都只有幾類病人可能會符合呢種藥物嘅佢個呢個保險啦。好難講呢樣，咁可能咧就幾年前我哋都唔知道我哋究竟可唔可以達到。咁 我可以咧就係回答一啲問題啦，依家
Thank you very much, Dr. Locke.
非常之感
I
謝
think
樂
that
醫
is
生，
very informative and
係提供咗好多信息啦。
thank Dr. Locke
非
taking
常感謝
time
樂
out
醫
on
生
a Saturday morning and gave us this
喺中國
informative
早上
education seminar.
幫我
Thank you,
哋
Dr.
係
Locke.
做呢個演講啦，非常感
Well,
謝，
thank you, Kalina, and nice to see everyone. Hope
好高興見到大家，希望個天氣係變溫
Okay,
暖啦，
it's warming up. So thank you,
Okay.
Anna.
all right.
Bye.
Bye bye.
非常之感謝，
Bye.
再見。